a little bit more of that tomorrow, similar to what we saw today. We're taking a live look now in Birmingham, 73 degrees, beautiful night sky out there, but we are picking up on some sprinkles and showers across central Alabama using the First Warning live radar. We have some rain moving through East Coleman as we speak and into Blount County over Aniana, over Sneed, Summit, over Hanceville and near Hayden and Warrior down there, and then another batch off in West Alabama, Fayette County. That's you, Millport. This is just south of Vernon over Reform, Carrollton, north of Aliceville over Samantha, and just north and west of the city of Tuscaloosa, the rest of Tuscaloosa County, the southeastern extension along I-20, mainly dry, and then another batch of showers right over the Coosa River between Rockford and Clanton along the I-65 corridor there. But that's all the rain we're tracking right now. No lightning or thunderstorms out there at the moment, but the rain earlier did cool us down pretty quickly. We're still in the mid 70s from earlier after that rain cooled air moved in. This pink number next to the bigger yellow number, that's the heat index, the feel like temperature. Right now they're matching the temperatures, which is good to hear. But Monday and Tuesday, we got first warning impact days, and that just means the weather could impact your normal routine or be a nuisance. We're not expecting any organized severe weather threat tomorrow. Can't rule out a severe thunderstorm here or there, but the main concern for Monday and Tuesday will be just the sheer amount of scattered showers and thunderstorms, some of which could produce intense lightning, gusty winds, and even some localized flooding. So let's first look at Monday, the First Warning future track. 7 a.m. in the morning, we'll start out dry, and then we'll start to see coverage as early as 10 a.m., a few isolated thunderstorms. And then by 5 p.m., this is when we see the most thunderstorms out there, mainly in West Alabama. Some of our eastern communities could be a little bit more on the drier side. And then by 2 a.m., it's all out of here. But again, some of those thunderstorms could produce those gusty winds and intense lightning I mentioned earlier. And then even if you don't see any rain tomorrow, it will still be warm. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for some, 70s for others who get the rain, and then it'll still feel like the mid 90s in some spots. And then we repeat it all over again on Tuesday too. We start out dry, this is 7 a.m. Tuesday morning. Isolated thunderstorms as early as 9 a.m. and that continues to build throughout the day. This is 5 p.m. You'll notice these scattered to isolated thunderstorms moving from the north and pushing southward. And by 10 p.m. we're mostly dry. Highs range from the upper 80s, upper 70s even, to the low 90s. Again, just depends on who sees the rain and who doesn't, but feels like temperatures could climb as high as the mid 90s, even the triple digits in some spots. So make sure you stay hydrated if you are working outside. A quick update on the tropics. Tropical Storm Barry formed within 24 hours from now, and it eventually made landfall along the eastern coast of Mexico. And at this point, it's just a tropical depression. In other words, a very weak system that's just going to be a rainmaker for parts of Mexico and even the southern coast of Texas too. Lots of tropical moisture out there and over Alabama and the southeast too, but a cold front comes in from the north and pushes southward. That's going to bring us some drier air, keeping Thursday and Friday much drier compared to what we'll see Monday and Tuesday. You can see that here. Rain chances drop off significantly with a 10% chance of rain Thursday and Friday. Along the Gulf Coast, though, still got some rain chances. So if you're headed down to the beach, make sure you pack your umbrella for the 4th of July weekend. And then we are going to be relatively drier next weekend. Highs in the mid 90s. Can't rule out a few thunderstorms, but lows in the lower 70s and upper 60s.